Here's another one of those problems that you will need to check with your local building department on. And I do have building code information on sloping walkways at our website in the Stair building code area. However, the information in this video is not going to be applying to a situation like this. It's going to be applying to a situation like this, where you have a steeper walkway and a set of stairs that might not be able to be modified. And I don't think your local building department is going to like this setup here because of this area right here, where the sidewalk is actually going to be encroaching into the step. So we're actually going to have a smaller width here. But it might not be a problem if the width of the stairway meets the minimum dimensions for your local area. And I don't think a situation like this is going to work because we're going to be creating a trip hazard. And I don't really think a situation like this is going to work that good either, because it could also create a trip hazard. I think all we're going to be left with will be to do something like this and deal with the extremely high riser on this end. And this situation right here isn't going to matter what size risers you have for the rest of the stairway. So for example, here we have 7-inch risers. Over here we have 5-inch risers. And the dimension is still the same right here, 9.5 inches. And we're going to have the same situation if I had 9-inch risers. And most of the time, residential stairways will have a maximum riser height of 7.75 inches. But older building codes will allow for 8 inches. So again, you would need to check with your building department for that information. And another suggestion might be to create some type of a landing with a step in the walkway. However, this could be a problem because you're usually going to have a curb on this side and a street over here, and possibly creating a trip hazard in this area right here. Now keep in mind that these are only suggestions. You will need to check with your local building department to see if they have a better idea. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos on YouTube. And if you can't find the videos on YouTube, make sure that you visit our website to find a complete organized list of all of the videos we've made so far.